So a little Tuesday tip to make sure that always one element is stationary. I never want to have the piece in one hand and a tool in another hand, both moving around and not as safe. So while my piece is on the lathe, I can bring my tool up to it. While a piece is off the lathe, like I'm going to do right now, I want to sand the inside of this. And so I'm going to sand it off the lathe. I want something stationary, so I use my drill press with a variety of things in it. Use a pad, sander, a disc sander, paddle sanders, drum sanders, all kinds of different things that I've used over the years to do my carving. So while I'm cleaning up the inside of this, I'm going to use the drill press. So I can get up inside of here. Now I can see real easily what's happening as I sand in there. I can use larger or smaller discs to get the areas that I need.